Houston, we have a problem. Coronavirus infections are on the rise in Houston. So remember, my mask protects you, your mask protects me, so mask up, Houston. I do know about wearing face masks because I wear one all the time whenever I go into public spaces. The question I want to talk about this evening is, how does wearing a face mask help to stop the spread of coronavirus? As of today, the number of coronavirus cases in the Houston area is 39,639 and increasing daily. Houston hospital ICUs are at capacity due to the high number of coronavirus cases. Face masks combined with other social distancing measures such as frequent hand washing and social distancing can help stop the spread of the virus. First, I want to talk about coronavirus, what it is, and also it's known as COVID-19, and I'll describe the symptoms. Secondly, I'll discuss how coronavirus spreads, and finally, I'll cover solutions to the problems by wearing face masks and practicing social distancing and frequent hand washing. Coronavirus is also known as COVID-19. It's a respiratory illness, it's highly contagious, and it's caused by a virus called SARS-CoV-2. Some of the symptoms of coronavirus include coughing, shortness of breath, loss of taste and smell, fever, chills, body aches, and pains, and sore throat. When we wear the face mask properly, this helps to stop the spread of coronavirus. This keeps people safer and healthier. Stopping the spread of coronavirus also helps the hospitals by keeping the number of patients in the hospital lower. In an article from The Atlantic by Zanit Tufekci, Jeremy Howard, and Tricia Greenhow, masks can also be worn to prevent transmission to others, and this is the most important use for society. Lower the likelihood of one person infecting another, the impact is exponential. So even a small reduction in those odds results in a huge decrease in deaths, luckily. Blocking transmission outward at the source is much easier. It can be accomplished with something as simple as a cloth mask. Coronavirus spreads through droplets that are produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes or even speaks. The droplets can linger in the air and infect other people. You can help to stop the spread of coronavirus by wearing a face mask in public places and adhering to social distance practices by standing at least 6 feet apart and washing your hands frequently. The Houston Chronicle published an article by Julie Garcia called "I Don't Trust Anything, Personal Beliefs, Confusing Guidelines Spark a Mass Debate for Houstonians." Kara McIntyre remembers the day she likely contracted COVID-19. She wasn't wearing a face mask. She was at the Target and she began to feel dizzy. Later, she checked her temperature and had a fever. She got tested for the coronavirus, and a few days after, her test results came back positive. The number of coronavirus cases in Houston is increasing. Since Memorial Day, the number of coronavirus cases in Houston area has been steadily increasing. When you wear your face mask in public, it protects other people from being infected by you. When other people wear a face mask in public, it protects you from being infected by them. In other words, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. If most of the people wear masks, it could halt the spread of COVID-19. In a KHOU11 article written by Chris Costa named Human Behavior is Driving This Disturbing Increase in the Number of Hospitalizations Due to COVID-19 in the Houston area. According to a Houston Health Authority, Dr. David Pierce, simply speaking can spread the virus. So wearing a mask is critical. People who don't yet have symptoms is actually when they spread the virus the most. Right in a couple of days before they have symptoms is when they're most dangerous to people near them, Dr. Pierce said. Face masks can help protect yourself and others from spreading coronavirus, but only when you wear the mask properly. When you put on your face mask, make sure it covers your face and mouth, which are the areas that most need to be protected. Please remember that wearing a face mask and practicing social distancing and washing your hands frequently helps stop the spread of the coronavirus. My mask protects you and your mask protects me, so mask up. Together we can stop the spread of the coronavirus. Remember, we are in this together. Houston, thank you.